Come to me. Stand facing the engineer. Use big arm movements to be easily seen and understood. Go away from me. Stand facing the engineer. Use big arm movements to be easily seen and understood. Stop. Hold arms parallel to the ground, then drop them when you want the movement to stop. Brake set. Used to signal terminal air or continuity brake tests. Also used to signal brake pipe reduction before setting handbrake or cutting off the locomotive. Brake release. Used to signal a brake release after the brakes have been set. Stretch. Give signal with hands raised above head so the engineer can see clearly. Be ready to give stop signal after stretch is confirmed. Reduce speed. Give reduced speed signal to slow movement. Initial signal indicates to engineer to reduce speed by 1/2. Once desired speed is achieved, stop hand rocking motion. If you continue with rocking motion, the engineer should continue to decrease speed and stop the train. Distance to a joint. Indicate to engineer distance remaining to a joint. Anticipate train movement and give the stop signal before connection is made. Do not wait until the hard joint is made to give the stop signal. In between. When giving the signal to go in between, you must wait to receive a confirmation from the engineer that he has received the signal and has set and centered the locomotive. Do not give the in-between signal and proceed in between the cars before receiving a confirmation signal from the engineer. Emergency stop. Use the emergency stop or washout signal when a situation requires an immediate stop. Repeated signaling. Once you give the engineer the signal to move, he will continue movement until instructed to stop. It's not necessary to keep repeating the signal. For example, repeating the come to me signal will indicate to the engineer you want speed to increase. Pin. When using the pin signal, be prepared to give the stop signal as soon as the pin is raised to prevent further movement of the consist. Car counts. When giving car counts, use big arm movements to ensure engineer can clearly see you. Highball signal. The highball signal can be given with an elevated hand motion or with the timetable in hand for increased visibility. Come to me, go away, stop, and reduce speed. When giving signals from aboard the train, be sure to keep both feet and one hand in positive contact at all times with the train. Make sure your hand signals are visible to the engineer at all times. If the engineer loses sight of the train man giving the signal, the engineer will stop the train.